I have two drawings for this video. Neither of them felt enough for a whole video, but the problem is I don't know which one to start with, so you have to tell me. This weird platform construction, or this colored mosaic? Oh wait, you can't really answer, can you? My bad. Let's do both. Well, hello there, I'm Detroit. As I said, I don't know which of the two to start with, so why not both at the same time? In theory, this is a really bad idea, but I have to try. On the left here, we have an ink drawing on my large Moleskine sketchbook, while on the right, we have one on a smaller sketchbook. Both are made predominantly with the rotring Isograph 0.35. I love this pen, especially for stuff like the machine type thing on the left. I mean, Isograph were designed for mechanical drawings if I reckon correctly. Before there were CAD programs, computer-assisted design programs, people had to draw all the mechanical plans and stuff by hand. For that, you need something to ensure the lines are constant. In Greek, isos means equal. Isograph is thus a drawing that is always the same. The more you know. All of that to say that isograph are perfect for mechanical drawing, and the drawing on the left is one of those. I freely made up a bunch of stuff. You'll see, at first it was pulleys of some kind, and then I incorporated something that looks like a motor, then an hydraulic system maybe. But let's give the right drawing some attention now. The prompt is simple. Make a bunch of rounded cornered rectangles, have them overlap, and then we color it in using colored pencils. That is the whole idea. I wanted to draw very badly, but I had no idea, so I decided to take this oh so simple prompt. Also, I haven't used colored pencils in a very long time, so why not take this opportunity to brush the dust off them. Both drawings I made live on Twitch, so if you want to check out my stuff in real time and interact with me at the same time, head over to twitch.tv/Detroit and see what this is all about. I can't give you a real planning since for now I stream whenever I feel like it, but you can follow anyway. I streamed these two drawings on successive days, the left one first and the colored one the day after. If you're wondering, they both took more or less 45 minutes, which is nice since I showed them both at the same time, so you don't have to deal with different speeds for both processes. Anyway, I won't bother you with Twitch anymore. I already talked about it at length in a video 2 weeks ago. Instead, let's bother you with the new fun platform I invite you to join me on. It's Cara. Yes, let's talk about Cara. If you're even half a step into the online arts community, you've probably heard about it. If you haven't, here's a brief recap. Basically, platforms like Instagram by Meta take all that is on their site to train AI programs. This means that AI are replicating artists' work. Long term, this means putting artists out of work. And middle term, it is simply theft of art. Theft of talent and using a robot to do things very talented people are training for years to do. So now, what is Cara? Cara is a platform for artists that is excluding AI art. It also has features that prevent AI from stealing the content on the platform. Recently, a lot more people have been interested in this platform because of the work it's doing and the transparency of the developers as to how it functions. Also, it provides a good portfolio page for your artworks, as well as a feed tab on which you can post all your works in progress, for example, or simply chat or put out any art you want. Basically, Cara is a platform encompassing Twitter and Instagram in one, and that is solely for real artists that use pen or stylus, not AI. Another argument for Cara, which certainly worked for me, is that a lot of artists I really enjoy the work of have moved to Cara. Some have started posting there while keeping their Instagram account, but a lot of others susceptible to have their unique style stolen by AI have even deleted their Instagram completely. Quite simply, if I want to see their works, I have to go on Cara. And that's fine by me. I can respect that with everything that's been going on in the arts world. As for me, I won't delete my Instagram account. Let's be honest, an AI wouldn't steal my style because I consider my style to be in the prompts I draw rather than the execution. I come up with good ideas for original drawings basically. Also, at the point I'm at, any view is good, no matter the platform. So you can still enjoy seeing the random assortment of artworks I make on Instagram at d3_sd, or just make drawings at Detroit_Inc. But I will also post artworks on Cara, and I will try to also post more works in progress and so on this new platform. So once again, go to cara.app/Detroit or search Detroit and you can find me there. Honestly, it's a good platform, so give it a try if you want to see amazing artworks by real artists. And since I've gone on talking about anything but the drawings on screen, let's continue by aborting an important subject. I'm a bit late in talking about it, since we're almost at the end of June, but I forgot to talk about it in previous videos. You might have seen in the last 3 or 4 videos that the bottom right corner has a tiny pride flag. It's because June is Pride Month, of course. I am not a member of the LGBT+ community personally, but a lot of my close friends are, and I absolutely believe it's important for the community to be seen. So as I did last year, I will invite all the people that are against their rights, all the homophobes, transphobes and so on, to go fuck yourself and get away from my YouTube channel. There you go. This is a safe place where human rights are protected and everybody is valid. It's a very simple message, but I wanted to share it. Also, last week I was at the Pride March in a big city next to where I live in France, and I had an amazing afternoon with all my friends. If you've never been to a Pride March and you have the opportunity to, please consider going. It's really fun, really colorful, and everybody has only good vibes. So yeah, I wanted to show my support of the LGBT+ community, even with just a small flag on my videos. With all that said, we talked about Cara, we talked about Pride Month. I think that's about it. I hope you enjoyed this video. You can even click the like button to show your support. In the comments, I'd like you to tell me which of the 2 drawings is your favorite and why. If you want me to never show 2 drawing processes at the same time again, you can also tell me so and I'll completely understand it. If you want to support me, you can do so directly by donating to my Ko-fi, or indirectly by subscribing to this channel or following me on any of these platforms on screen and in the description. I'm Detroit and I'm never gonna stop making weird drawing videos. Bye!